It feels great. Um, I'm so grateful for this transformation, and I, I I love this feeling, and I just can't seem to describe it. One thing I know for sure is that I've learned a lot in many aspects in terms of financial valuation, in terms of reading the financial statement, income statement. And now I go to class before I have to like study before and do many exercises. But after the course, I can just go to class, like focus, like learn from the course, and then just go to class, sit down, listen to professor and answer question and communicate with him because now I see the financial statement and finance in and of itself um, with a clearer picture, and I can understand it so much better. I was in a debate club with my friends, so there's a bunch of very hardworking people. So we have big ambition. Then she joined the CFA competition, and then she basically told me about valuation, and then she told me she knew about Sir Andrew, and I was like, um, I feel like this is what I want. So
Yeah.
yes, I just went straight for it.